You are ugly. Your nose is somewhat huge for your face. Your pimple marks are such eyesores. Your stretch marks are disturbingly evident. Your boobs have no future, or your butt is nowhere to be found. With these characteristics, you will really think that you are ugly. Many of us do. Jessica Williams once said that most people would agree that what is inside a person is more important than what is outside. But frankly, a book with more pleasant cover will be more noticeable than those with greater stories inside of them, thus giving us a stereotype of what's beautiful and what is not. And most of the time, we think that we will never reach that standard unless we change our physical appearance. Today, we're going to talk about plastic surgery. As some of us may know, this is a special type of surgery that aims to change a patient's appearance or ability to function. It was first used in nose amputation for punishment, but later on, it served as an aid to those soldiers who suffered facial injuries during the war. Plastic surgery is an optional procedure, but because of our society's standards of beauty, a lot of people, especially teenagers, are engaging themselves in undergoing plastic surgery. Though developed for greater purpose, our generation's reliance on this kind of surgery is really alarming and has to be given attention. Plastic surgery got its name from the Greek word plastikos, that means to mold or to form, thus clearing that it didn't come up from the synthetic substance that we know of. Historical records say that plastic surgery started in India way back 4000 BC. It was performed as a punishment in the form of nose amputation. Later on, British physicians visited India and discovered their techniques, especially rhinoplasty, or commonly known as nose job, and introduced them to the Western world. The war came, and by using these techniques, soldiers that suffered physical injuries, particularly in the face, were aided. It gained popularity in Europe in the 80s, but as some surgeons started offering anesthesia to his patients in 1891, plastic surgery dominated and became in line with other medical fields. Over the years, plastic surgery demand in several countries grew like trees from watered seeds, and like them, plastic surgery developed branches with their own distinct functions. Two main categories of plastic surgery are reconstructive and cosmetic procedures. Reconstructive plastic surgery is done to repair, normalize, and correct those irregularities in our body caused by medical conditions, birth defects, trauma, and the like. On the other hand, cosmetic plastic surgery, also known as aesthetic plastic surgery, is performed to enhance one's appearance and to make it more visually appealing. According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, these two procedures can make someone comfortable of his or her skin, based on their survey results in 2013. Many people also felt improvement in their confidence after they undergone the surgery. Thus, going through plastic surgery becomes a guilty pleasure of some. Most of the past studies conducted prove that the main reason for this is body image dissatisfaction, due to beauty standards our society has imposed. People of any age said that they're interested in undergoing plastic surgery, just to fit in or to stand out. In fact, many are starting from a young age. As early as 13 years old, that child could have undergone nose reshaping or an eyelid surgery. In addition to this, according again to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, 31,000 plastic surgeries, rhinoplasties, and nose job procedures were recorded in 2016 alone, showing us that plastic surgery is now becoming our generation's obsession. Celebrity figures greatly influence the definition of beauty today. The thinner you are, the more beautiful you become. Unrealistic body images made us aspire to reach a perfect body, thus urging us to undergo plastic surgery, cosmetic procedure to be exact. Plastic surgery is supposed to aid deformities in our bodies for them to function again. It was never invented to nurture these unrealistic beauty standards. So, in conclusion, plastic surgery will never be a ticket to your most beautiful self. Undergoing procedures is not 100% guaranteed success. What's sure is that our scars and irregularities will always represent us, our experiences, our hard works, our resilience, and they will always symbolize how beautiful we remain through those hard times. Changing yourself for the better is never wrong. What's not right is when you do this for the sake of other people. Treasuring your self-worth first before minding others' opinions will not only give you confidence, also it will give you peace and satisfaction, things that even 100 plastic surgeries cannot give you. I am Angel Karl Serrano, and this is all, folks. Thank you for watching.